navigate your Amazon dashboard. When you go to your Amazon Associate dashboard, this three icon at the top, click on it. Once you click on it, you will see home, the report or you perform, your storefront tool, Amazon promotion. This is where you'll find the creator connection. So you can just click on it. This is where brand and stuff that you can pitch to get free products. So let's just click on it. So as you can see there, you would have new opportunity active. This is where you join already campaign. These are the one that will be already completed. So once you scroll down, you will see different product of campaign that you can reach out to the brand for. So you can just scroll through. And once you find the one that you need, so you just click on it. Do not accept the campaign, guys. Then where you see message the brand, and then you would just write the message that you have here and then submit it.